How to track someone's location with Gmail on Google Maps. So if you want to track someone's location with Gmail on Google Maps, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with Google. Now on your Google here, you will have all services. You need to go with all services, or you can just simply tap on your Google account and then tap on manage your Google account. Now here you need to tap on security. Under security, you need to scroll down and you will have an option of find a lost device. So you need to tap on find a lost device. Tap on the device that you would like to find. Tap on the device. And then you need to tap on accept and then accept find my device, and it will turn on and it will locate the device. So as you can see that the device is right here. So if you have someone's Gmail, then you'll be able to track the location with the Gmail on Google Maps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.